Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Instagram shop not available in your region. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna be discussing the common Instagram shop issues. So for the first one is rejected due to low engagement. So in order for you to fix this, just simply post regularly and engage with the followers and grow your account. So the second issue is checkout feature not enabled. So guys, to fix this, enable the checkout on Facebook and Instagram via Commerce Manager. And the next common issue is Instagram shop not available in your region. So guys, to fix this, there is no immediate fix, but Tag Shop can be a great alternative. So guys, if you don't know, Tag Shop is an amazing app for e-commerce brand, especially if Instagram shopping isn't available in your region. So it helps you sell products directly from Instagram without needing the main Instagram shopping feature. So guys, just simply sign up on Tag Shop and choose your network as Instagram and just simply sync your products. So you can connect with Shopify, WooCommerce, or upload a CSV file. And you can also tag digital products or upload a CSV file. And after that, just simply tag products in your post and customize how they appear. And you use Tag Shop Gallery code on your site to display your Instagram feed and tag products. And guys, just simply add a shop the feed link to your Instagram bio to direct followers to your shoppable feed. And from there, just simply collect and display customer reviews and photos directly on your site. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!